Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This video is going to show you how to change the user and group ownership of a file from beginner to advanced syntax. Let's jump right in. So here are the current permissions on a random file that I created. And we're going to focus on these two columns, the user owner and the group owner. The simplest way to change the user owner of a file is with the command change own. Then specify the name of the new owner, then the file name. And to change the group owner, we use the command change group. So two different commands for two different changes. And this works and is all you need. But if it gets too repetitive, here's a faster way. First, we'll reset everything. You can actually roll up the change own and the change group command into a single change own command. In other words, you can use change own to change user and group ownership. You type change own and specify the new user like you normally would. But to also change group ownership, you add a colon and the new group owner, then the file name. Now here's an even faster way. If the user and group name are identical, you can drop the part after the colon. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.